All right, so at some point you may be assigned a code.org assignment, maybe if there's a substitute or you finish early or any other number of reasons. Some of you may have done this in 6th or 7th grade, but if you open up a new tab by clicking one of these plus buttons and type in code.org, it should take you to a screen that looks something like this. Now, to sign in, you've got to click over in the corner where it says sign in. Hello. And instead of having to type all sorts of business over here, remember, you've already logged in. My little icon, my little avatar is over here in the corner. So I know that I'm logged into Chrome. So if I click continue with Google, it wants to make sure that, yep, that's me. It might ask a few other questions like this. If you've never used it before, it might ask you some questions about your age and such. Feel free to finish off those questions and do whatever it takes to get to a page that looks like this, where it says My Dashboard. Up at the top here, it says Course Catalog. You've got Projects, Professional Learning. We're going to go right to the Course Catalog. And if you roll down a little bit, we're going to work in the Express course. You can access it here. We're also middle schoolers, so if you look at middle school, that's another way you can get at it. But I want you to remember that word Express, because if you roll down, here it is again, Express. We're doing the Express course. There's also a picture of a zombie, which is a pretty good marker that you're in the right place. Here it is again, Computer Science Fundamentals, Express, Express course. So I'm going to click on that. Now, in all likelihood, it's going to drop you right into the 2021 course. There are other years. If you did this in 6th or 7th grade, or maybe even 5th grade, there's a possibility it drops you back into the course you were doing before. So some of you guys might have been doing the 2018 or 2017 or 2020 course last year during our COVID sessions, which were a little different. But I would say, listen, let's try to get to the 2021 course, and you're going to click and watch videos when there's a little camera, and you're going to do activities, and these activities are basically video games, boys and girls, all right? Instructions are up here. The play area is over here, and here is where your blocks are, and here is where you code. You click things together. And then you run over here. Hey, look at that. That's basically what we're trying to do. Now, it would be nice if you turned the volume down or if you used headphones so that you don't hear all sorts of angry birds screaming and making all sorts of noise. But basically, that is your task for the period, is to play these games. If you need to take a break to let your eyes rest or just get up and stretch, that's okay. As long as you are continuing to code, everyone will work at a different pace. Some people may be faster, some people may be slower. Guess what? In phys ed class, some people are faster and some people are slower. So it's okay as long as you are working to the best of your ability and mostly staying seated and continuing to work on a coding activity. Again, this is not something we're going to do every single day, but it's a good activity, again, particularly if you've finished all your other tasks or if there's a sub. So I appreciate you spending your time on this, and yeah, have fun coding.